Welcome back, you guys. Welcome to episode 4 of Ultimate Coaster. Want to know where this train is going? Well, this coaster is another one I made called Flight of the Parrot. And this here is a launch coaster in which there's no lift hill here. We get this launch track here, and we go up this hill, go down a couple of turns, and check it out. I made the train car look a little light green, as if this was a light green parrot flying through the sky. And flying up and down, just like that. And the other train is launching too. Then we go in this turn, all the way back to the station. Now when it reaches the brakes, we're going to give this thing a ride test. Are we ready? Okay, here we go. Enter! Get ready to launch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoosh! Going up, and we're going to go round and round and round, just like that. Now we're going back up again, flying slowly, like a bird gliding. We're nearly almost at the end of this coaster. Here comes the last part, where we're turning a lot. Oh, this is amazing! And we just got to the brakes and back to the station we go. And that'll be it for this video. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for more. Bye!